draw horizontal line. Okay? Draw horizontal line. Now for this horizontal line, at the midpoint, here there is a midpoint. From the midpoint, draw vertical. Is this clear? Check the cursor. It is showing you the x direction and the y direction. But we want to draw the isometric box. We need to have the isometric planes. So if you want to draw a 3D view, you cannot use this cursor in this direction, x and y direction. Rather, our cursor should move across the isometric planes. So for that purpose, what you can do is, now pay attention. Go for the snap toggle switch. Right? On the mouse, click the right, have a right click. And with this right click, you will be getting a setting option. In the setting option, click it and select the isometric snap. And press OK. Now here you will see the change in direction of this cursor. Now any drawings which you want to make, the people who are talking at the backside, please leave the class. If you are not interested, if you want to check your mobiles, please go out. If anything you want to draw on this isometric plane, you need to have your cursor in this direction. Right? Again with F5, if anything you want to draw on the top isometric plane, you can have the cursor in the top direction. If anything you want to draw on this plane, then again use F5 and change the direction of the cursor. Is this clear? Okay. Now look at the 2D figures and check the overall length and overall width. Okay. So here in this view, you need to check for the total length, total width, or this total height. Right? Total length, total height, you can check. So let me know what is the total length. I will be changing the color here to draw the box. How much is the total length?
68.
From this end I want to draw a line. How much it is? It is 68. What is the total height?
60.
60 plus 8.
I am asking total height.
60. 60.
70.
No.
60.
What is this total height?
18.
It's 18. Okay. पुस्तकाचा वाटवा.
18.
ओके. बंद करके रखिए क्योंकि आपको फिर वो गलत आदत पड़ जाएगी. What is the total height?
18.
Enter. What is the closing distance? 68. Enter. Right? Coming back to this origin. Enter. Got it?
Yes.
We need to change the cursor. Use the top plane. We can develop this side. How much is this distance again? Total. Every time it will not be 68. What is the total width now? Total width. Total width. How? Bigger what? What is the total width? 60. How you got? Because 15 in between slot is 30 and the other end is also 15. So 15 plus 30 plus 15. 60, right? Again, what is the total height? 18. Enter. What is the closing distance? 60. Enter. Okay? You are drawn the line. Now change the cursor. You need to complete Now, what is the length in this direction again? कितना आ रहा है? ये बॉक्स का टोटल लेंथ कितना आ रहा है? 68. Enter. What is the width? 60. Enter. Got it? This is the top isometric plane. These are the sides of this isometric. Right? Now again, इसके बॉटम के यहाँ के रह गए ना, उसको ड्रॉ करने के लिए भी आप F5 यूज कर सकते हैं. From this corner again, you can mention the 68 distance. Enter. F5. ये इस डायरेक्शन में आना है आपको. You can use the closing distance. 60 मेंशन करके भी यूज कर सकते हो या फिर डायरेक्टली ये कॉर्नर को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. Getting it? Done? Right? Again, you need to join this corner also. Change the direction if you want. This corner से इस end तक. Enter. Right? So this is how we need to draw the isometric box. Okay? अगर चाहिए तो इस लाइन को हम लोग अभी थोड़ा नीचे की ओर नीचे यहाँ पे ला सकते हैं. So your isometric box is ready. हर बार ये 68 का बनेगा और 60 का बनेगा और हाइट 18 रहेगी, ऐसे नहीं है. Depending upon the drawing, you need to check for the total length, total width and total height. Right? You need to draw the box accordingly of the total length, total width and total height. Clear? Okay. इसके बाद में now what you can do is you can draw the center line. First we'll develop the upper portion, the circular portion, right? For that we should be able to know the center of that circle. So to know the center of the circle, what you can do is you can use the center line. A dash है, long dash, small dash. देखो सेंटर लाइन के अलग अलग ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. So center X2, I'll use that option. Okay. कलर भी चेंज करते हैं इसमें. कौन सा कलर यूज करेंगे? ये चले. We'll use that color. Okay. लाइन कमांड यहाँ से चेक करो. मिड पॉइंट. Getting it? From this mid point, coming back on this side. So this midpoint, going down to the midpoint again, coming back, we'll check the midpoint here. So this midpoint. Mark the center. Right? Now, from one end, the center, check for the center. From this end, how much is the center line distance? 30. So mark that line. We'll change the color. We'll keep it red. Right? On this corner it is 30. End. Got it? Again, vertical कितना है? This circle is through and through. Okay? यहाँ पे dash दिख रहा है ना? So when you are looking from the front direction, this inner circle is not visible. No?
Yes.
So it is shown as dashed line. But it is through and through. No?
Yeah, 18.
So this vertical distance of the center line is 18. 18. Enter. Got it?
Yes.
We have marked the center. From this end also we have marked the center, and even from top to bottom we have marked the center. Is that clear? Now we need to develop the circle. So as I mentioned earlier, can we first of all change the cursor direction? We are going to develop the circle on the upper side. Okay? So can we take the circle command from this draw tool?
Yes.
Can we take circle? Earlier I mentioned circle on the object will appear as an ellipse. So go for the ellipse command. Do not take the ellipse command directly. So in this ellipse command you will find that arc, center, isocircle. So go for the isocircle. ISOCIRCLE. You can mention isocircle or you can simply mention iso. And then press enter. Is that clear? Now it will be asking you center of circle. So we know the center of circle. So this is our center of circle. Okay? Now, first, if you are knowing the diameter,
30.
whether it's diameter or whether it's radius, what is been given? Have they given radius or have they given diameter? डायमीटर दिलाय का रेडियस दिला
Diameter.
बाहेरच्याचा रेडियस दिला आणि आतल्याचा डायमीटर दिला ओके सो फॉर इफ डायमीटर इज गिवन then after selecting the center of the circle you can mention D enter okay it is asking you diameter of the circle so what is the diameter of the circle
30.
so enter that value and press enter got it escape okay this is again the center of the circle repeat now fine now this line has to be continuous that is visible so this will be visible and keep it right we have developed the inner circle now for the outer circle again use the ellipse command here mention iso okay center of circle क्या है wide continuous ellipse iso okay sorry right radius is given r enter 30 enter you got the circle okay come out of the car but only the upper half is required I mean half of the circle circular portion is required this later half is not required okay so you can remove that by using the trim command so for trimming also basically you need to have the reference which portion is required and which portion you do not require for that what you can do is draw a line and this line here you are getting a midpoint but instead of using a midpoint go for the intersection right and draw a continuous line again this is the intersection if you are drawing this reference line into two halves यहाँ लिया यहाँ पे कट किया फिर से ज्वाइन किया